Hi beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are well. Today I want you guys to check out this beautiful haircut for black women. You know, the golden rule for short natural haircut amongst older women is that haircut that will really create that balanced look. You know, by choosing those flattering cuts that will always enhance your face shape. So whether you have the round face, whether you have the square face, or your face is oval, you know, when we talk about oval face, maybe the long faces, whether your face is oblong, no matter the shape of your face, all face shapes are what? Beautiful. And sometimes when it comes to finding those right hairstyle, it is what truly brings them out. It is what truly brings out the shape of your face and the beauty overall. So today's hairstyle is a style that will add those cheek face framing. Like, it will really refresh your haircut and help to create that visual dimension to your face. Another beautiful thing about this haircut today is that it will help in accentuating your cheekbones and your jawlines without making your face look wider. And these are one of the top natural haircuts for black women to try, because you can see how the haircut complements any face shape, and this is a great way for you to play up your best facial features, because you can see it creates that natural facelift every woman wants. And please don't forget about countless styling options that comes with this cut. So everything depends on you and what you want. You can even check out all of my videos on the particular hairstyle you want. So let me know how you feel about this haircut on the end, and please watch this video to the end. I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. God bless you guys. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.